Oh, it's a big one. I think it's heavy. Look at the pole. The pole's bending. Oh, man. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, shit. Oh, my wrist. My wrist. Oh, Well, you know, it just looked big in the water.
That ain't too bad. Hey.
Nigga, is this the same fish? Go check the bucket. Is this the same fish?
Clones, man.
They clones, man.
Put them next to us.
Put them back.
See if you caught these clones. They're definitely
These
clones. I ain't
niggas
got spots
clones.
though. They definitely stocked this place, so you can tell.
Yeah, that's fire.